Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to transfer group ownership on Telegram. So if you have a group on Telegram and you want to transfer the group ownership to another user or another member on the group, here's a simple guide on how to do that. So the first thing you have to do is to open the Telegram app on your phone. Then you have to navigate to a particular group you want to transfer the ownership. So for example, you just click on the group. So currently I'm the admin and the owner of this group. So for me to transfer the ownership, I just have to tap on the profile name, which is the group profile name, then tap on edit, then tap on administrator, then from here you can simply click to add admin. So right here I can simply pick between these two users just to make an admin. So I'll tap on this. So right here you can simply configure all of this just to make the person have access to the group and take things and apparently carry a lot of tasks within the group. So now for me to be able to add a new ownership, just click on add a new member, tap on this. Then this will generate an option where you can simply transfer group ownership. So tap on the group ownership, tap on it. Then for you to be able to to transfer the group ownership, you have to make top with this security check. You can only confirm this option with two-step verification active and has been enabled for your account for more than 7 days. Now your two-step verification password has not been changed for the last 7 days, so you have to be logged in on this device for more than 24 hours just to enable this option. So for me to be able to transfer this ownership now, I have to enable two-step verification. So once that is enabled, then you can now follow the system prompts later. Then after that, you have the access to to transfer group ownership to another user, and that's a simple step-by-step guide now to transfer a Telegram group ownership to another person. And that's it. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.